Thunderstorm was located over London, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, South Bloomfield, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, Grandview Heights, Obetz, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Lafayette, Harrisburg, Orient, Lockbourne, Newport, and Georgesville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 73 and 102. Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 86 and 109.